What if I told you I found an all-natural resource that can be used instead of drugs? It can lower blood pressure by 10%. It can reduce stress hormones by 17%. It can lower anxiety levels by 24%. It can reduce the amount of pain by up to 50%. And it can help with depression. This all-natural resource can also help patients with cancer, autism, substance abuse, multiple sclerosis, muscular dystrophy, amputation, developmental disorders, spinal cord injuries, brain injuries, cerebral palsy, seizure disorders, visual and hearing impairment, learning disorders, emotional problems, anxiety disorder, and behavioral problems. Can you guess what it is? It is a therapy animal. Therapy animals comes in many shapes and sizes. The most popular would be the dog. There's also horses, miniature pigs, cats, and dolphins. The most popular therapy animal is the dog. Dogs can be used in physical therapy, emotional therapy, speech therapy, occupational therapy, patients with cancer, children with special needs, and elders in assisted or long-term living facilities. Another type of therapy animal is the horse. Horses are used in riding. They help build muscle, build vocabulary, and build self-esteem. Dolphins are also used. The patient swims with the dolphins. The dolphin helps improve speech, motor skills, cognitive thinking, and builds muscle. I talked about different therapies that the animals can help with: physical therapy, occupational therapy, and speech therapy. Animals can help with physical and occupational therapy by having the patient walk the animal, brush the animal, pet the animal, play with the animal, and the animals can have a great impact on the patient's motivation and confidence in trying new activities. With speech therapy, the animals can help the patient feel confident enough to speak without being judged. They also learn to give the animals commands. Animals can give the patient someone to communicate with. I talked about different therapies that how therapy animals are used in assisted living and long-term care facilities. The animals give residents interaction with another living creature. Animals also help staff by getting residents involved in activities. They help the resident build self-esteem. They can increase appetite and cognitive thinking, and they can help dementia patients communicate when words and expressions are hard to form. How the therapy animal can help cancer patients. Animals reduce stress, anxiety, blood pressure, and heart rate. By reducing these stressors, it allows the body to focus on healing. They can help a cancer patient who has a new prosthetic by helping them learn to walk with a new leg or pet an animal with a new arm. Animals can also reduce pain associated with cancer by 50%, therefore requiring less pain medication that can become addictive. How therapy animals can help children. Animals help children build muscle. To do this, the child can ride horses, swim with dolphins, or walk dogs. Animals can also help children improve speech by giving the animals commands, such as when riding horses, telling the horse to walk, or when taking a dog for a walk, telling the dog to heel. Dogs can also alert caregivers when seizures are about to happen or a child's sugar is low. Animals can also greatly boost a child's self-esteem. Is there a future for therapy animals? Hopefully, with some research, people can see the benefits animals can offer humans. Some people are still skeptical about using animals in the medical field, yet studies prove how beneficial animals are. Maybe if more research is done that results in more positive outcomes, animals will begin to play a bigger role in medical care. I'm not sure there is another resource other than the animal that is all natural. And who can resist something that just wants to love you and make you feel better. Therapy Animals and Their Role in Healthcare by Rebecca Lovegrove.